Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to set and change alarm on iPhone. So if you need to put an alarm and change it later on iPhone, you just need to do these steps that I've told you. Follow this video and you'll be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you have to click on this uh, alarm clock icon or app. This clock app, you have to open it, and when you open it you'll see there are many other features as well, such as world clock, stopwatch, timer, and alarm as well. You need to click on alarm, and you can see that here are a multiple list of alarms that I've put for myself. But if we need to put a new alarm, this is what we need to do. You need to click on this plus icon right here, and for example, if I want to put an alarm for like 8 a.m., and then I have the option whether I can repeat it every day, like every Sunday, every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every day, or any day I want. But if you don't, you just keep it just like that. And you can also put a label to it. For example, I put it as wake up alarm. Here you go. We can also put a label to this alarm. And we also have the option whether to snooze it or not. Completely up to us. And finally, we can change the sound as well, the sound of the alarm. This is how we put and change an alarm on iPhone. You can select any other sound that you want and you'll be good to go. So you need to click save, and here you go. Now you have an active alarm, wake up alarm for 8 a.m. And for example, if you want to change this alarm, you feel that 8 a.m. is very early and you need to put up a new alarm, what you can do is you can turn it off from here, and then you can follow the steps again, like clicking on the plus icon and putting another alarm, or you can just select any alarm from here. Like I've put this alarm in the past, so you can also change alarm just like this. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.